you for watching this video about our EPIC project. In this project, we sought to understand how the relationship with personal technology might affect how different segments of consumers respond to feedback about energy consumption. Our goals were to establish the presence or absence of a trait we call cybersensitivity, and also establish whether this trait explains differences in electricity consumption. The funding that we received from the California Energy Commission enabled us to undertake primary research in an area that often goes overlooked. This funding, by underwriting our findings and models, will enable California investor-owned utilities to better segment their audiences.
Market segmentation is a strategy for classifying potential consumers based on a set of identifiable characteristics. So these can include factors such as common interests, similar lifestyles, or demographic profiles. Insights drawn from this project will be useful for supporting utilities because it incorporates feedback around energy data into residential energy efficiency program design. So specifically, utilities could apply new forms of market segmentation like the ones developed in this project to improve uptake of energy efficiency recommendations.
We spoke to people about the ways that they think and feel about their personal technology. This project combined interviews in 48 households with survey data from 415 respondents. The team went into households in Northern and Southern California. We looked at a variety of households, their different lifestyles, their purchase and usage behaviors around technology, and then organized these households into segments based on their answers that they gave to our questions in both the survey and the in-depth interviews. We identified psychosocial drivers of cybersensitive behavior through analysis of the interviews and the observations conducted by the ethnographers. We integrated the data sets from the screener survey and the in-depth interviews and performed statistical analysis on them. We used electricity consumption data from Pacific Gas and Electric and Southern California Edison to identify patterns of consumption among populations of California electricity consumers. We constructed an ethnographic decision tree model to provide a means whereby any interested party can segment a population according to cybersensitivity. Our CART analysis predicts that approximately 18% of any given population will fall into cyber segments. Using this percentage, we offered a preliminary estimate of the impact of cyber segment households on energy consumption in California, framed as negawatts, or electricity that does not get expended. Our conclusion is that for the utility territories of PG&E and Southern California Edison, cybersensitives and cyber awares possibly produce negawatts in the range of approximately 5,200 gigawatts. Thank you.